have thought? St. Francisville? I might not have to go to San Francisco now. I always wanted to see the Golden Gate. Oh, look at it. And somebody said something about it orange.
Looks like rust.
But you're going to have to be checking it out because, you know, it's just 2 lanes. I'm going to be all over the place. That is neat. Oh, good. Everybody's slowing. I've been looking at it, too. You got a picture of it, Bo?
Yep.
That is so pretty. Out in the middle of nowhere, huh?
Picture.
That is something. How much you said? How many million? 408 million?
408, yeah.
And the largest suspension bridge, tallest, largest. So I get my facts straight. This is cool. Oh, it's 2 lanes, okay. Go right ahead, I just want to see it. Yeah, it took them like 5 or 6 years to build this.
Since 2006.
2006?
That's when they did a proposal.
Uh-huh. Oh, man. I don't like this.
Got you
Yeah,
video.
It's not as, oh, man. It's so sleek. You know? Oh, I hope it's safe. Gorgeous. Why are they slowing down? I guess it's just reflective material.
What's that?
On these cables. I guess at night it's, you know, it
the
shines.
aluminum?
See this orange stuff?
Oh.
I wonder what the purpose of it being orange is. But I tell you what, pretty impressive.
Is there anything else you want to say?
No, I was just checking it out. I guess this is all flooded. No, this is the other side. I don't know why there's still water along here. All right, now we should be close to Highway 6. Jessica said comes right out of 61.
Can we put this on YouTube?
Yeah, it's cool. Look, you saw them? Oh. They had their phone up too. They had like that. They were doing that. That is neat. I really like that. Hey, can you forward that?
Yep.
Forward it to Glenn.
Mr. Glenn, this should be you sitting right here.
You said private spot.